How to create an account on ChatGPT. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, download the ChatGPT app from Google Play Store or from an app store if you are using an iOS. Once installed, open that app. Press on Sign Up. Again, press on Sign Up. Here, enter your email address on which you want to create your account, and press Continue. Then create a strong password for your account, and press Continue. Now it has sent a verification code to our Gmail account. Open up your Gmail app and copy that code from here. Then paste here and press Continue. Then type your full name, select your date of birth, and press Continue. And our ChatGPT account has been created. Now you can ask any question or queries to the chat. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.